In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily lock your Facebook profile in 2024. So that's quite simple and interesting, but before starting the tutorial, make sure that you watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. Alright, so first of all, you will have to open up the Facebook application. Once you're on this page, you will have to click on menu on the bottom right and then click on your profile. Now once you are on this page, you will simply have to click on the three dots next to dashboard and then click on log profile right here, and once you will click on it, you will be asked to confirm and you will simply have to click on lock your profile, and it says that you lock your profile. Only your friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. So that's it, you have locked your profile successfully. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button.